I put my hand out like this. I say 3 romantic words. Nelly do this. I think Nelly don't like me. Oh, you're gonna show me one more time? Okay, I'm gonna stand over here. I'll watch you this time. Alright, let's watch Mr. Hannah one more time. How is it done? Alright, here we go. Clap your hands for Mr. Hannah and Nelly. So, Mr. Hannah, I heard you say something. What did you say? Sayang, come here. So, Nelly, was that Sayang, come here? But Nelly, I tried baby, sweetheart, darling. You don't like me. Do you like me? That's right. The show must go on. Clap your hands one time for Nelly. By the way, ladies and gentlemen, next time we call a female bird. What do you say? Sayang, come here. But don't try. Sayang, come here on the tiger. Not going to be a pretty day for you. Alright. Thank you, Mr. Darius Sukumari. This is another animal trainer. Mr. Darius, over here. Yeah, that's enough. Alright. Okay, Nelly? Higher. I thought Nelly. Okay now? Okay, first attempt. Here we go. Clap your hands for Nelly. But Nelly say 1 was easy. Now we're going to increase it with 2. Okay, Mr. Darius Sukumar is going to be this side. I'm going to be over this side. We're going to increase the difficulty for Nelly. Alright, here we go. Alright, Mr. Darius, for the hook up high. Okay? No, higher. Alright. Coming over to me. Is this okay, Nelly? No? Okay, ballerina legs? Okay, yeah, here we go. Yes, this bird is very demanding. Alright, here we go. Second attempt. Can Nelly do it? 1 and 2. Clap your hands for Nelly. Good job, Nelly. She's a fantastic umbrella cockatoo. Up next is our favorite blue and gold macaw. He's going to show all of you here his favorite sport, which is basketball. Here comes the ball and also the net. Alright. Now, Mr. Rocky, let's see how many shots he's going to do. This is his favorite sport. Right, here we go. All the way, and he scores! Let me know, Mr. Rocky. Wait for the second shot. Can he do it? Scores again! Let me know, Mr. Rocky. Good job, Professor Rocky. You're a fantastic basketballer. So, ladies and gentlemen, you must be wondering why we call this blue and gold macaw Professor. It's because he loves mathematics and wants to be a math teacher in the future to teach young children mathematics. Alright, we're going to bring out the board and also the pen. I'm going to go to the board and ask for a random number. We're going to ask the abang here, the front row seat, the black shirt. Yeah, you abang. What is your favorite number? Nombor kesukaan anda? 12. 12 plus. Favorite number is 12. Thank you for the number. Okay, we're going to go this side. We're going to ask the lady in the purple shirt. Hi Akka, what's your favorite number? Nombor kesukaan anda? 7. 7. Alright, 7. Thank you for the number. She's very shy. Don't worry. Just asking for a number. Don't worry. Okay, we're going to pass on Professor Rocky shortly. You can see Professor Rocky has agreed to the question. He's confident he can answer 12 plus 7. If anybody here knows the answer, don't say anything. We will show you how smart he is. Meanwhile, Mr. Hanan is putting the numbers in random order just to confuse Professor Rocky. Let's see whether he can answer this. I don't know the answer because I failed my math exam. Alright, here we go. Come on, Mr. Rocky, what is the answer? We got the first number, 1. Mr. Darwin, you want to show the audience the number? Alright. Come on, Mr. Rocky, what's the second number? Thinking very hard. Can you do it? Did he get the correct answer? Is the answer 19? Clap your hands on the time for Professor Rocky. Good job, Professor Rocky. You're a fantastic basketballer and also a mathematician. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, are we ready for the tiger? Can't hear you. Are we ready? Wait, we're not ready. Stop the music. DJ Nash, stop the music, please. Yes, Ms. Hannah, you said stop the music. That means I have to stop the show. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, can I stop the show?
No.
Yes or no? Ready for the tiger?
Adik
See?
suka makan.
Oh,
Pergi lah makan dulu.
not ready.
Kata Mami nak
2
tengok
minutes.
show
There's
je.
a form here, and I think I know what the form is. On his hand right there, the white bird here. Alright, just give me 2 minutes to sort it out, yeah? Yes, Ms. Hannah, can I help you? Oh, you got home, Nelly, been fighting every day. Even today, before the show. Nelly, do you like your trainer? Yes? Is it because of your boyfriend here, Professor Rocky? You're fighting? No? You just want to do whatever you want? You don't want to listen to your trainer? No. Me? No. Okay. This bird is stubborn, that's why flying here, flying there. Okay. Let's see whether you're going to say yes or no to this, alright? So you need my help, right, to solve the problem? Yeah, I do have an idea. Let me see. Yes, we mean business here. Nelly, ready to go to heaven? You asked for it, but before we shoot you, shall we shoot the handsome DJ? No. Your boyfriend. Me. You want me to lie down and get dead? Okay. Right now? Okay, this feels something wrong somewhere. I'm not going to lie down and get dead because all of you are going to be traumatized. No, I'm not going to support this, Miss Hannah. So, Miss Hannah, this is your problem. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Nelly's last day. We're going to say bye-bye to Nelly because Mr. Hannah and Nelly cannot agree to things. So we're going to say bye-bye to her. Thank you for your services. If you cannot watch this, please look away. Bye, Nelly. Ay. There was a very loud bullet for a very small gun. Alright. I'm presuming bullets went to the head, bodies down, legs are up. That's a balik, betul? Betul? Dah mati? Betul? Ada cakap mati dia cakap sini. Which one? This one or this one? Dah mati? Okay, I cakap. Okay, stay. I'm actually heartbroken, but Miss Anna, good job for solving your problem, yeah? Nelly's dead, right? But when I look up here, I see a lot of happy faces. Something wrong somewhere, but that's okay. Mr. Hannah, I'm just curious. Are you sure Nelly's dead? 100%? You're 100%. But I'm wondering, you bang already. How come the dead bird is still eating sunflower seeds? Last week before she died. Oh, okay. We had to grant the wish, didn't we? Alright, come on. Ask her to get up, please. Alright. Clap your hands one more time for Nelly! By the way, ladies and gentlemen, we know we care for the most. We want her to there was an acting scene. Nelly's a fantastic actress. Alright, let's say bye-bye, Nelly. Bye-bye, Mr. Hanan. Bye-bye, Mr. Rocky. See you. Bye-bye. Okay. Now, we're going to move over to our